What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? What's going on? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I missed you guys. I haven't made a video in a couple of days. I am back. I am just so glad that you are here to tune in with me. Okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Click the like and subscribe button, you guys. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just got the two middle fingers. Okay? I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Also, you guys, leave a comment, share the video on all your social platforms. I would really greatly appreciate it. So let's just dive right into this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. We're talking about the flower rockets. Now, if you go back to my video 3 months ago, I think it was February 10th, I did the flower rocket video. Now, what the flower rocket is something from the Dollar Tree. You know, I love a good Dollar Tree, okay? We love the Dollar Tree. You can get so much from there, you guys, for $1. Yes, $1. It can't beat that because ain't nobody got no money. Ain't nobody got no money. And, before I jump into that, you guys, what do you think about this shirt? If this was on a shirt, would you like it? It just says, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Okay. Let me zoom in a little closer. Do you guys like this t-shirt? Would you be interested in one of these t-shirts? Let me know. Leave a comment. Like and subscribe. Leave some suggestions. So, back to the flower rocket. What the flower rocket is, it's a box container of flowers, supposedly. And it'll tell you on the box, you know, you have so many hundreds of flowers. And it comes in a roll like this. Okay? Now, the instructions tell you to take this roll and stick it straight down in the soil, rolled up and everything. I think that is the weirdest idea I've ever heard of, because what about the seeds all the way down at the bottom? How are they going to make their way up? And then if everything's rolled up like this, how's that supposed to work? I don't know. I did the tomato rocket, and I got like 3 or 4 little baby tomatoes that came up. I couldn't do anything with them. They were just not what I had thought they were going to be. So next time I will roll it out, which I did, and I have an update for you guys. I've been getting so many requests to do an update on the flower rockets. People want to see the progress. People want to know, do they really work? So today you're going to find out, you guys. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to show you the flower rockets that I planted on February the 10th. Now, I did 3 baskets. And out of 3 baskets, I have 1 basket left that actually did something. The rest kind of died off to the wayside. And look at the flower on here. There is a flower there. And as you can see, this is the date, 2/10/20. And I also videoed it. It's online. And these were the daisy flower rockets. So, as you can see, this is what came up. It looks like a mixture, but it said daisies. So, this is one of the ones that I laid the strip down. You can see the strip here, see? And not a lot of flowers came out, you guys. You know, maybe they work better for someone else. Can you see that flower? Okay, yeah. And they're starting to bloom. They look like they're going to be beautiful. So for $1, if you get one beautiful flower, so be it. It was $1. We're not going to complain. We're blessed and highly favored, right? Okay. So also, the ones that I laid, now I'm going to show you the good side of the flower rocket. And I planted some in the front yard. And I actually rolled the strip out. And this is what we're working with. I rolled the strip out in several places. And this is what we're working with. And this was a wildflower mix. Oh yeah, you guys, I also blended in 1 box. The Dollar Tree sells a box of the flowery. It's like a seed powder, and you just sprinkle it over and water it. Look at all these guys. They have little buds coming up on them. This one here, I can see flowers about to form. I'm hoping I'm capturing this for you guys. See that marigold? So yes, you guys, see that marigold all the way back there? The flower rockets from the Dollar Tree are legit. I just don't follow the rules on the box. Okay? Okay! I don't follow the rules on the box. I unwind mine and then I put it in the ground. Look at this guy. Beautiful flowers, you guys. All in a box for $1. And some of these I rolled out from the flower rocket kit. And this is a wider view. I hope you can see it. These are beautiful, you guys. Look over here. Yeah, so let me show you the gladiolas since we're talking about the Dollar Tree. And I got you right here. Look at the gladiolas, $1. And they came in packs of multiple colors. Look how great they're doing, you guys. And you guys watch me plant these as well. These are gladiolas. And I have them all the way down in the front. Okay, okay. So, there you have it. The flower rockets work, but I don't like the suggestion on the box. I suggest you unroll it, keep it watered, cover it with some good soil, potting mix, and see what you get, okay? But that's what I got from my flower rockets. So there you have it. I did the flower rocket video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll go out and find some flowers at the Dollar Tree if they have any left, okay? Okay! Because they were sold out when I went. So thank you guys for being here. Remember, check out Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Share it with your friends. You guys like that little logo right there? Does it kind of look like my hair? I love you guys. You are the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay! Share the video with your friends. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Just don't eat the flower rockets. I don't think they're made for eating. Peace out. You're the best.